Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines brought to you by Options Legion.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook brought to you by Options Legion. Joining me today is Greg from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Greg?
The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 4.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. Russia's lower house of parliament has passed in a third and final reading a bill on delisting of companies that are registered in Russia and have depository receipts traded on foreign bourses. In a letter, Nayib Bukele, citing unforeseen circumstances in El Salvador as requiring his full presence, announced the cancellation of his participation in the Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami. The dollar edged up to its highest level in nearly 2 years after jumping overnight on more hawkish comments from a Federal Reserve official, while the euro was hurt by the prospect of new Western sanctions on Russia. The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 0900 GMT. Australia's exports at 0130 GMT. Japan's trade balance will be released at 2350 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here at Options Legion, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.